What's up, man? Let's go to all the ladies out there in the internet world. All the girls that I met in real life where they haven't got your name yet. It's all the same though. Look. And I'm feeling you. Tell me what you wanna do. And yeah, she's looking at me, and I'm looking at her, saying what's it gonna be. And I say I'm from Miami, she said. I visit there every day. She said she doesn't live far. She wanna see just how far I'll take it. And I say, how far would you wanna go? Do you wanna go to my bedroom? She said no. I said, why not? She said, we just met. And I said, we've met before. Have you had that dream where you've thought of me? She said, yes. Well, that's where we met. So come up in my room, let me get you. Let me get you. You don't even understand, boo. I've been thinking about you, but you don't know. No, you won't know. No, you don't know. No, you won't know. Every single time you went to work, I was behind you. When you left from work, I was in front of you. When you went inside your home, I was outside your home. You don't really wanna know what I really know about you. Well, let me let you know about it.
We're recording?
Yes. Well, your blood type is, well, you've got that unique one, but guess what, we match. And I don't want to let your business out, but you gotta return all your panties, bro. And it's not nothing against you, it's everything against me. And yeah, I sing and you don't sing, but we could be in the band, in my bedroom. In my bedroom, in my bedroom, in my bedroom. In my bedroom.